If you're wondering how to put a product in Skool, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to upload and manage your product within Skool so you can start selling quickly and easily. But stick around, because we'll also compare Skool with a few competitors so you can make an informed decision about what platform really fits your business needs. So let's dive straight in. First, the easiest way to add a product in Skool is through the course creation section. Go to your Skool dashboard and under Courses, you'll find an option to create a new product. This is where it all begins. You can name your product, add a description, and set the pricing. Next thing, once you've named your product, you can customize it by adding lessons or modules. This is a great way to give buyers more value. You can upload files, videos, or simply create text-based content that guides your customers through what they're purchasing. It's a simple drag-and-drop interface, so no coding is needed, which is a plus for most users. The third thing to keep in mind is payment setup. Skool supports integrations with payment processors like Stripe, so you can easily manage your transactions. All you need to do is link your Stripe account to Skool, and your customers can pay directly when they purchase your product. This is where you'll set your pricing structure, whether it's one-time or subscription-based. Now, the fourth thing, adding your product to a community or group. Skool is known for its community-building features, so if you're offering a product as part of a group or membership, you can link your product directly to your Skool community. That makes it super easy for customers to interact, ask questions, and get support after their purchase. The fifth thing to mention is automation. Once your product is live, you can automate certain parts of your sales funnel, like follow-ups or thank you emails. This will save you time and make sure your customers are always engaged and informed about their purchase. Skool is a solid choice, but let's be fair, it's not perfect. While it's good for content creators who want a simple, no-frills solution, some users find its features a bit limiting if you're looking for more advanced customization options or integrations with other marketing tools. And let's be honest, its community features can feel a bit disconnected if you're not already entrenched in Skool's ecosystem. Now, before you decide, I want to mention some other tools that can also help you put a product online, some of which might be better suited for your specific needs. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific offer more advanced options for building and selling courses with more control over branding, integrations, and marketing. They're not perfect either, but they're great alternatives if you need more flexibility. Before we wrap up, here's an exciting piece of info. I've got an exclusive extended free trial offer for Skool. If you're watching this video, you'll get access to an extended trial through our link in the description. But don't go just yet, there's more. I also included some alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals, and they come with free trials as well. So, if you're ready to get started with Skool or explore some great alternatives, check out the links in the description below. You'll get the best free trials and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.